Hello and welcome to Sonic Hills. I've got another package come in. And what we've got is 3 more flat decks. 3 more flat cars. I like the flat car that I got last time so much that I got 3 more. And I've got I ordered 3 different road numbers. This one is just a straight red car with no lettering or numbering on it. This one is Union Pacific. And this one is a second Union Pacific with a different road number. So let's take those out and we'll have a look at them on a test track. Let's take a closer look at these flat deck cars. All 4 of them are different numbering, different lettering. We got Union Pacific with the road of streamliners on it. This one's just a standard red one, no lettering, no numbering. The one I got a couple of weeks ago, Southern Pacific, and the other Union Pacific. So looking at them, they look pretty good. Straight out of the box. The red one came with the brake wheel already attached. The other 3 come with the separate brake wheels. They all come with these extra pieces on for holding containers. So let's take a closer look. What I've currently got them sitting on is my test track and program track. Okay, let's take a closer look at them. Body mounted couplers. Detail under the underbody detail. Looks pretty good. Deck made to look like timber. So on the whole they look pretty good. The only issue is with the couplings themselves. Bring this over. Right. Now the only issue I have is with the couplings themselves. Tried hooking it onto one of my engines, the Southern Pacific carriage I got, and the couplings wouldn't hook up. And when I put them on the gauge, they hang too low. They'll need adjusting. The trip pin hangs too low. They won't hook into the... Now I've got a coupler gauge on the end here, and when I tried to... This is the one that came today, straight out of the box, and as you can see, the trip pin on the coupler hangs too low, so they won't couple. So the trip pins need adjusting, and also some of them, the trip pins are facing the wrong direction. And one of the ones on the Southern Pacific car that I got, the spring, when I tried to open it, the spring just disappeared. It flew somewhere. I've got no idea where. So this is missing both springs now. So it could be I'll end up replacing these couplers. They're not the best of couplers. They're yeah. So, but there we are. Now have a fleet of 4 flat cars on the layout. Once I do them up, so if I was to rate these, on the whole the carriages themselves are fine. I'm happy with them. It's just the couplers that let them down for me. But yep. So that's what I've found. Carriages themselves are fine, just the couplers. So that's my closer look at something. Thanks for visiting Sonic Hills. Catch you in the next one. Bye.